In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best fresh direct discount promo code in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for fresh direct discount promo code. Right here, go to this website, which is called couponfollow.com, and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list of different type of promo codes that we can use in order to get a discount. For example, if you want to take this one with $15 of discount, all you need to do right here is select your coupon code, and this is the promo code. You can copy this one from right here, and you can use this promo code on your next purchase to get this 15% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called simplycost.com. And as you can see right here, we also have some promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get free shipping, all you need to do right here is select copy code. And this is the promo code. You can copy the promo code from right here and you can apply this one on your next purchase in order to get this free shipping. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.